remember seeing this welder at Harbor Freight and thinking, man, if I had this bad boy, it'd probably solve a lot of my issues. I'd be able to weld things and fix things better, maybe even build some stuff. Little did I know, I was in for quite an adventure and a journey, because I was about to learn a lot of new things and jump into a lot of new things that I had no clue about. I was about to exit my comfort zone.
It's colder than hell and darker than a gun. You can throw all your bullets in a well, but that don't get nothing done. You shot some things, you broke everybody's heart. Clipped your wings, you just don't know where to start. So you buy yourself an old used welding machine. Forgive yourself for every little dirty thing. Pick up the pieces of the broken things at your feet. Slap on your welding gloves and turn up the heat. It's hotter than hell and brighter than the sun. Pulling the trigger, you're a hardened welding son of a gun. They taught my able hands flaming torch. I can't shoot them guns, the boys fight and scorch. But I sold all my guns, I bought myself a welding machine. It puts holes in my shirt, keeps my spirit clean. It's hotter than hell and brighter than the sun. Pulling the trigger, I'm a hardened welding son of a gun.
Funny thing about muscle memory, it teaches patience. Even the most stubborn of us learn that less is more after grinding for a few days.
You let me violate you. You let me desecrate you. You let me penetrate you. You let me complicate you. Help me. I broke apart my insides. Help me. I've got no soul to tell. Help me. The only thing that works for me. Help me get away from myself.
Drop my hood, get up off my back. Now what's up with that? You tryna see something? Lens tinted like Ray-Bans, gold plated, shade 10. I can tack it up, just say when. You ain't ready for me? Okay then. Make good guap with my hood job. Pipeline over the rag top. Boot cut on my jeans. FRs on my sleeves. My welder cats been through hell and back. Lack confusion, what the hell is that? I well hot, it's real hot. You well supposed to make it. Highly favored, no mistaking, and that's why they pay me. I drag up when I feel like it. Say something on like you expect me to drive across the country, but that the damn ain't right. You low ballin', I'm not calling, I will not show up to your site. No game box, just a bag, homie. Never know when you got a drag on. My rig smoking like cig smokers. Crack the valve open, regulator stay wide open. Flash burns, got my eyes swollen. Maxed out, I'm about to turn it up. Stainless steel, I'm about to burn it up. Stop complaining, I done heard enough from a welder, baby. You ain't heard of us, like yeah. Foreman talking crazy like you pay me, told him yeah. Hurry, get my papers, see, don't know I'm about to drag. Hold up that I roll up before we show up. I don't mean to come off selfish. If you think you do it better, then well. I've been making money going state to state. Driving all across this country just to make a way. Please don't get me mad, I'm dragging no without a reason. I ain't even worried about it, boys, out of season. Don't touch my leaves, turn up my heat. If it ain't round, I'll turn it down. I started from nothing, wasn't supposed to make it. Highly favored, no mistaking, and that's why they pay me.
TPS is wet, so it's wigging out. It's not where it's supposed to be. everything else is pretty much there. I'm straight in disbelief. I can't even right now. I just, wow. Wow. Oh man, let me leave you with this. You'll never know what you can accomplish without trying twice as hard as you were willing to try. Whew. Let me just tell you, can you subscribe and keep your Turbo World, Skidderiff, and that New Car Smell channel? You'd be doing my daughter and our family a great big favor and helping us get better at it and have better ideas for you. Thanks for watching. Keep your Turbo World. I'm Weldy.
Only one thing that I'm here to do, I'm welding. I've been making money going state to state. I'm welding. Driving all across this country just to make a way. I'm welding. Please don't get me mad, I'm dragging no without a reason. I'm welding. I ain't even worried about it, boys, out of season. Welding. Don't touch my leaves. Welding. Turn up my heat. Welding. If it ain't round, welding, I'll turn it down. I started from nothing, was supposed to make it. Welding.